Dear students, today we are going to discussing about the chapter statistics. It's very important. From this chapter, they are asking one question for JEE mains. So get ready for this one. So first we discuss basics. So how many of you having knowledge about 10 plus 10 statistics? Let us see. So raise your hands, all of you. Fine. Kalapur Reddy, Karthik Reddy is there. Hands down, all of you. Here Ramacharita, Lalit Williams, Nag Satya Asis, Abhinay Kashyap, Kushi Kumari. Okay, these 6 members submit show me the notes. Okay, end of the class. Then you can turn on your video and show me your notes, all of you today. Okay, these 6 members today. Otherwise, Padmalata madam, call to your parents. How many of you listening or not listening properly? Okay. Now see, what is the requirement discussing? So this one is a 10th class concept. See, yeah. Okay. Now see, first one we're discussing what is the arithmetic mean. So there are two types are there. One is group, one is group data they're giving. If they're giving n observations, x1, x2, x3, and so on, xn or n observations are there. Then what is their arithmetic mean? That is x bar. How to write this one? See, x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 and so on xn by n. So that is sigma xi by n formula. How to write? Sigma xi by n is equal to what? How to write? X bar is equal to. So please write down. Sometimes you can use sigma xi means you can write n times x bar also. Fine. What about see, ungroup and group data if they're giving frequencies? See, you want to read this one? X1, X2, and so on xn are values of the variate with corresponding frequencies f1, f2, and so on fn. Then their arithmetic mean is given by x bar is equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 and so on fn xn by f1 plus f2 and so on fn. So this one you can write it as notation sigma fi xi by n, where n is nothing but sum of these frequencies. Okay. So what is another method? Carefully. Here the shortcut method is there, but step deviation method is there. See carefully. But very rare case, these concepts you are using in 10th class level only, not 11th class. I mean 12th class. Okay. Now see the question number 1. Example here. Example is there, dear students. Write down. Show me the notes. Where I'm asking, please turn on your video, all of you. Is it clear? Write down question. Write down, all of you. So, dear students, we can expect one question from this chapter I told you. See, if the mean of the series x1, x2, and so on, xn is x bar. Yeah, very good morning, Mohan Kumar. Then what is the mean of, yeah, good morning, Abhinay Kashyap. Mean of the series, they are asking. What is the mean of the series? What are the given? See, xi plus 2y. That means what your dear students is the given, yeah, x1 plus 2, comma, x, x2 plus 4, comma, x3 plus, what is the case? 6, and so on. That means in general, what is the case they're asking? Xn plus 2n. Okay. What is the answer is coming? C. So first of all, the given condition, x bar is the average of sum of these observations. Okay. Now question is, consider if the mean of this series is we are taking capital X bar, suppose, then according to the formula, average of this one, what is the result? X1 plus 2, X2 plus 4, and so on, Xn plus 2n divided by. So in this case, how many observations are there here? N. How many observations are there? N. Now separate the terms. X1 plus X2 plus and so on, Xn by En. And remaining constants are there here. Observing 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on to N. Okay. So 2 into 1 plus 2 means one sum of the first even natural numbers. Sum of the even, I'm sorry, sum of the first n natural numbers formula क्या होगा? बताइए. Sigma n मतलब n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, ठीक है. So x bar plus 2 into 2 n into n plus 1 by 2n. क्या होगा? x bar plus n plus 1. कौन सा ऑप्शन है इसमें? बी. जल्दी लिखिए. हो गया? ठीक है. See the next question, dear students. Find the arithmetic mean of the following frequencies distribution. So everybody knows formula. What is that? First of all, what is the given? N means there are 5 observations are there with their corresponding frequencies. So first find out capital N. What is the given? Sigma Fi. Sum of all the frequencies 45. Very good. Then after that, sigma x is sigma Fi xi. Multiplying them 5 into 4 plus 8 into 5 plus 11 into 6 plus 14 into 10 plus 17 and 20. We are getting 606. Then average formula. What is the average formula? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So sigma fi मतलब capital N. What is the answer? 13.47. Now see example 2, example 3. What is the difference? In the question example 2, they are giving small numbers, but in the example 3, they are giving large numbers. So you can use above formula also, but complicated calculation. That's why you're using shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? See, x bar is equal to, for the answer, a plus sigma fi ui by n into h. So in this case, see 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. We are assuming one mean. Assumed mean spot here. I'm taking a is equal to 35. In this case, it is not fixed 35. You can take 30 also. Okay, no? 25 also, no problem. Okay, now h is what here? Difference. See, 10. Now sigma fi as usual 100. Ui, what is the formula? Xi minus assumed minus means xi minus assumed mean by h. So as usual sigma fi find out is the into simplify. We are getting minus 70. Now apply this formula. This is the case. So x bar is equal to a plus sigma ui into fi by n into h. Right on. For example 4, not we gonna discuss now because we don't know what is the binomial theorem. Not yet completed. So अभी तक डिस्कस नहीं हुआ ना, इसलिए छोड़ दीजिए. हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे बायनॉमियल थ्योरम, चिंता मत करो. हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है ना पवन, डिस्कस करेंगे सारा डे डिस्कस करेंगे और एक बार मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग, चिंता मत करो. Anyone completed? Okay. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन. Dear students, see weighted mean. If W1, W2, Wn are the weight assigned to the values x1, x2, and so on, xn respectively, then their weighted mean is defined as. So weighted mean is what is the formula? W1 x1 plus W2 x2 and so on Wn xn by W1 plus W2 and so on Wn is equal to what is the formula? See, sigma Wi xa by sigma Wi. See carefully. Now see the example. Find the weighted arithmetic mean of first n natural numbers when their weights are equal to their squares respectively. The question. अभी देखिए. So first n natural number means 1, 2, 3. Like that, they're giving corresponding weights also. So 1 into 1 square plus 2 into 2 square and so on n into n square by. So in this case, what are the weighted means here? That is 1 square plus 2 square and so on n square. So you're getting sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers by sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. So what is the formula? I'm writing, dear students, see, sigma n cube 21, that is n square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. Okay. Sigma n square n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. तो स्टैटिस्टिक्स मतलब ये फॉर्मूला प्रैक्टिस करना है. ठीक है. अभी देखिए कंबाइंड मीन क्या होगा फॉर्मूला. हाँ सी इसमें आंसर क्या आ रहा है. 3n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1. 3 into n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1. Okay. Why? Because in this case n plus 1 n both are cancelled. Sometimes see. So combined mean, what is the combined mean? See, if x1 bar, x2 bar are the means of two groups having n1 and n2 terms respectively, then combined mean is of their composite group is what? See the cases all of you? What is the formula? n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar by n1 plus n2. So similarly, if there are more than two groups, is the result. It's like a linear combination. Okay. So end of the class, I will ask you randomly. You can turn on your video, show me the notes, turning notes all of you. Okay. Now see. After completing this concept, we discuss previous questions. What is the correction? Here there is more than two groups means here what is the given? Yeah. Okay, good observation. Here small correction is there. This is N2. Okay, no? Yeah, correct. Good observation. Hemant, बढ़िया, very good. Yes, please change this. This is N2. Okay. Now, see, based on this one, same formula, I'm giving one question C. Okay. Here formula is there, I'm giving. Now tell me what is the answer. So example 6, see all of you. The find the mean income of a group of persons is 400 and another group of persons is 480. If mean income of all the persons of these two groups is 430, then find the ratio of number of persons in the group. Means for here we are using same formula, but from this case they are asking n1 by n2 they are asking. That is the question. ठीक है, इसमें क्या दिया बताइए. x1 bar average of the average income of first group of persons how much. x1 bar is given 400, x2 bar has given 480, and total combined mean is how much is given 430. Okay, तो देखिए फॉर्मूला x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar whole divided by n1 plus n2, 430. Okay, so 430 is equal to 400 n1 plus 480 n2 by n1 plus n2. Understanding this one? Yeah. Now simplify. For the case 430 n1 plus 430 n2 is equal to 400 n1 plus 400 n2. So from this case, what you're getting 30 n1 is equal to 50 n2 is the last step. So n1 by n2 is equal to 5 by 3. Write down. Oh, okay, Sadhguru Charan. Actually, in this chapter, they are asking most of the questions. They are asking, what does it mean about median? What does it mean about mean, standard deviation, variance? Especially, they are asking this one. Standard deviation, variance. अभी बताइए हो गया. Okay. Thank you, Didi. Now, okay. So you should add these two extra points. Okay, no? Step by step like that. Okay. So अभी देखिए प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है इसमें दिए. Properties of arithmetic mean. Sum of the deviations of variate from their arithmetic mean is always 0. Generally, what is the average? Sigma xi by n is how much? Anyone? That is x bar. Is it clear? Now see the apply this formula. Now this one I can write sigma xi minus n x bar is equal to 0. Take sigma xi as a sigma xi minus x bar, both are same. See carefully. That is the meaning. That is the first property. Sigma xi minus sigma x bar मतलब क्या है? constant sigma x bar means n times x bar. Okay. So similarly, देखिए second point, sum of the squares of deviations from of variate from their arithmetic mean means the case sum of the squares of deviations from their arithmetic mean is minimum when it is possible. Sigma of xi minus x bar whole square is minimum. ठीक है. Third point, see, x bar is mean of variate xi. Then what is the arithmetic mean of xi plus lambda? Means what here? Each variable increased by lambda, decreased by lambda. Like that they are giving. So what the case is coming here? X bar plus lambda. Decreased by lambda means x bar minus lambda. Okay. Each observation is multiplied by lambda. Then what the answer is coming? This is the 1, 2, 3. Dear students, see carefully. So these are very important. A x bar plus b. Fine. Write down these points. So try to complete this exercise. Now we'll discuss geometric mean, harmonic mean. ध्यान से सुनिए बच्चे. So listen carefully. Try to complete this one DBP. ठीक है. Okay. So geometric mean, ungrouped data. Formula देख क्या देखिए. x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn are positive values of variate. Then their geometric mean G is given by. Is the formula. Geometric mean between A and B means formula क्या होगा बताइए. Root over AB. What is the formula? Geometric mean between two values A and B means root over AB. So 3 means cube root of ABC. 4 means fourth root of ABCD. इसलिए तो यहाँ पर here how many variables are there? N variables are there. x1, x2 and so on, xn. मतलब nth root of x1, x2 and so on, xn. Fine. So this is the formula. So remember this one. Another one is, this is not required anti-log. Suppose frequencies are given. What is the formula? See, Rn positive variables are given with corresponding frequencies respectively. Then their geometric mean is, for the answer, sigma is equal to xi power fi into x2 power fi and so on, xn power fi. Whole power how much is given? 1 by n. So here write down, you should write where n is equal to na1, that is sigma fi. Please add this point where capital N matlab sigma fi, sum of these frequencies. Completed? Karthik Reddy, raise your hands. Ramacharita, Karthik Reddy. Okay. So end of the class, you turn on your video, show me your notes. Okay, na? Ramacharita, you also. Lalit Williams. Lalit Williams, raise your hand. Send the message. Are you there in the class? Naga Satya Ashish. No, your raising hand means I'm unable to see. Yeah, wait just a minute. Yeah. Okay, good, Nana. Lalit Williams. Okay, next. Abhinay Kashyap. Kushi Kumari. Kushi Kumari. खुशी अब सुन गया ठीक है कोई बात नहीं so if anybody want to show their notes it's always 2 or 3 okay na per day we are calling 6 members like that don't worry okay now see the question now revise the formulas dear students yeah now what is the answer example 7 anyone what is the geometric mean of 1 2 2 square and so on 2 power n so I'm writing see formula what is the formula x1 x2 and so on xn you know whenever you are solving these problems first write the formula all of you like this. So first of all, how many observations are there here? N plus 1, including 1 also. Okay, good. So 2 power 1 plus 2 plus 2 square and so on. 2 power in whole power 1 by n plus 1 because there are n plus 1 observations. Simplify. Not a 2 square, just a minute. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on. N, that is the meaning. Because base are equal means power should be added. So simplify sum of the first and natural numbers. The formula is here only, see carefully. What is the answer? 2 power n by 2. Fine. Harmonic mean. So ungrouped data, same thing. Nothing. Discussion progression series. This is the formula n by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 and so on 1 by x1 is the formula. So इसमें conditions क्या चाहिए? x1 x2 xn मतलब are n non-zero values. So suppose they are giving frequencies. This is the formula n by sigma fi xi fi by xi. So here also Kaplan means what? Sum of all the frequencies. Right on? Put Charan, if you want, you can zoom yourself. You can maximize from your mobile or laptop. Possible is that, see? One second, dear student. Now, okay? Now, see next question. This is the chapter. This chapter is very important. Now, see. So, what is the median? Now, dear students, what is the median? See, the median of a series is the value of the middle term of the series when values are written in ascending order or descending order. Okay, should add the one more term word in ascending order or descending order. Therefore, the median divided and arranged series into two equal parts. Let us see how. We are also discussing one is ungroup data. See, let n be the number of variables they are giving. So, what is the median, dear students? Suppose if there are odd number of observations, then what is the median? N plus 1 by 2th term is median. Last year we discussed in 10th class ideas there. This one n plus 1 by 2th is the term. Fine. When n is even, so mean of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th terms means average of these two terms, nothing but median. Okay. Generally, for example, simple examples, taking 2, 3, 0, suppose 1, okay, minus 1, 4, 6. Dear students, what is the median for this case? From these observations, what to do here? You should write ascending order and descending order. Suppose I'm writing ascending order minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. So how many observations are there? Even number of observations are there. See, that means what here? So 6 by 2. That means third term and fourth term. To take average. What is the average? That is 2 plus 3 by 2, which is median. That is 2.5 is the median of the given variables. Suppose if it is odd number of terms, then write down whether it is ascending order or descending order. And find the middle term. So similarly, what is the ungrouped data list here? Find out. First we prepare the cumulative frequency column, find the value of n. After that, same as usual. It's clear now? Is it clear? Now I am using broadband connection. So this is also very case we are using this formula. Wait. Yeah. This one is we have to consider. What is the relation between mean, median, mode? That is this formula. See, mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. That's the case. median concept. Okay. Okay, we'll take this. See, take this screenshot. Anyone? Welcome, Sandeep. No. Okay, which one you're discussing now? Oh, this one. See, mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Okay, now these are the points. Median is always lies between mean and mode. Okay, so these are the examples. You can practice yourself. 1 and 2. Please see carefully. Manual theorem not yet discussed now. Can leave it if you know, do it. Okay. Now this is the very important, dear students. See carefully. So they are asking this question based on this one. What is the mean deviation? This one also coming in 10th class, I think. Am I correct? The mean deviation of a distribution is the mean of the absolute value deviations of period from their mean median. So they're asking most of the questions. Mean deviation about median. Mean deviations about mean. Most of the questions they're asking. What the question I'm asking? See, dear students, mean deviation about median, about mean. So they're asking these questions. Most of the questions. How to find? Let us see. What is the formula? जरा देखिए. If A is any average of the distribution, okay, then okay, average मतलब here ये मतलब क्या होगा? Mean, median कुछ भी होगा. Okay ना? So then mean deviation about A is defined as, so that is sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of x minus A. Udgur Charan, is it visible now? See, this is the formula. Here, what is the capital A? It is the mean or median, depending on the question. You can use that one. Now, mean deviation, see, when it is possible, if they are giving frequencies, if they are not giving, means on group data means above the, you can use above the formula. Note, ये बहुत important है बच्चों. Mean deviation is minimum when it can be taken above the median. Let us see. So please write on this point. Mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about mean. Okay. So find the mean deviation of the numbers. अभी बताइए कैसे करना है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. So in this question, how many variates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So should write n is equal to 5. X bar is equal to 5. So mean deviation formula, sigma xi minus x bar by n is the result. So modulus means what is that? Absolute value of deviations of period from the mean in this case. So 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. So what is the answer? 6 by 5. So this is what? Mean deviation about mean. ठीक है? तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन मैं दे रहा हूँ, देखिए मेन डिविएशन अबाउट मीडियन। ये बच्चों ये दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, मेन डिविएशन अबाउट मीडियन। हाँ बताइए क्या करना है। First, we should find out what is the median of these numbers. First, we arrange them in ascending order. Luckily, they are in ascending order. So, प्यारे बच्चों, what is the median? 5. So, mean deviation about mean means what is the formula? That is xi minus a by, what the answer is coming? N. Now, see from these two questions, median mean both are same. So, here also answer is what? 1.2. Okay. I am proceeding for the next slide. See. Dear students, turn on your video. I'll call you randomly. Yeah, good. Fine. Hamant, show me your notes. Better. Turn on your video means your videos, please, all of you. In the meanwhile, you can complete the notes. Asmita, Abhinay Kashyap, Shri Kumari, Nagasatya Ashish, Shri Kumari, okay. और क्या और कौन है? ललित विलियम्स, आशीष, अभिनय काश्यप, रामचरिता, कार्तिक रेड्डी, अभिनय काश्यप, ओके। अरे सोमी है नोट्स देखिए, show me the notes properly. Okay. Turn the pages. Can turn the pages here. What are the previous one? Previous pages. Okay, good. Or what about Ashish? Rishi Kumari? They are not responding. Okay, you can get the call from Padmarat madam. Don't worry. Okay. Now only show me Ashish. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. Okay, understood. What about remaining students? Your webcam is not working. Okay, at least okay. Okay, okay. Good. But notes, Lalit Williams, you submit the notes, no? Handwritten notes, not screenshots. Screenshot means no use. Write the notes, okay, Ram? After completing the class, submit. Okay, fine. So, any doubts? So, shall I go for next slide, dear students? Okay. Sir, from this chapter, this one question, sure, I'm saying every year you can check it. Okay, okay. Okay, from here. So, dear student, this is what frequency is given. Okay, what is the formula? See, find the mean deviation about the mean. Okay. Don't postpone the notes. Okay, immediately complete the notes. Every day revise notes. Otherwise, no use. Sudha madam, how are you? Okay. Now see, XI, FI. XI is given what? 3, 9, 17, 23, 27. 8, 10, 12, 9, 5. Okay. Now see, XI, FI. Okay. Okay, unmute. Okay. Sudha madam.
Sir,
బాగున్నారండి?
బాగున్నాను సార్. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. వెరీ లాంగ్ టైం.
సార్ అదే అవును సార్, అవును సార్. అదే సార్, కార్తిక్ రెడ్డి నోట్స్ కంప్లీట్ సార్, ఇన్కంప్లీట్ సార్?
కార్తీక్ నోట్స్ చూపించలేదు తను నాకు.
చూపించలేదా సార్? రామ్ చరిత సార్?
రామ్ చేత తర్వాత సబ్మిట్ చేస్తాను. అన్మ్యూట్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంది అమ్మాయి. మేడం మీరు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి, మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి మీరే. సుధా మేడం.
సార్ సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
ఆ అమ్మాయి అయితే తర్వాత అందరూ చూపిస్తాను. చరిత కూడా తర్వాత చూపిస్తాను.
ఆశిష్ సార్, ఖుషి కుమారి.
ఆ కృషి కుమార్కి వెబ్కమ్ సరే పనిచేయట్లేదు. ఆ క్లాస్ ఏంటో అన్నీ సబ్మిట్ చేస్తా ఉంటుంది అమ్మాయి.
ఓకే సార్. అయితే అంటే అభినయ్ కశ్యప్ ఒక్కటే కంప్లీట్ అని పెట్టాను సార్. అయితే
సరే.
లలిత్ కూడా ఇన్కంప్లీట్ పెట్టాను. ఓన్లీ స్క్రీన్ ఏదో షేర్ చేశాను అన్నారు కదా మీరు.
ఆ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుందంట అమ్మాయి, తర్వాత చూపిస్తా ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే.
క్లాస్ తర్వాత చూపిస్తా ఉంటారు అందరూ.
ఓకే సార్.
సరే సరే. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే. సి and this now we are discussing important concepts here now. Sigma fi xa by n. Okay, 6. How to find? So xa is given, fi is given. So fi xa is how much here? Sigma fi xa is equal to 660. Fine. So in this case, xi minus x bar. What is the x bar here? Anyone? How to find x bar? How to choose? So here only. See carefully. Formula. Sigma fi xa by capital N means x bar is equal to sigma fi xa by sigma fi. Now find out xm minus x bar. Mean deviation means deviations. 15 minus 3, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 17, like that. You are getting these cases. Means xi minus 15. So this is what you are multiplying with the corresponding frequencies. Add them. Now this is the formula. Sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar by capital N, that is 7.09. Right on this one? So after completing this question, please tell me question number 2. Anyone? You can practice yourself these questions. Okay, na? Question number 1, question number 2. This is the DPP question, dear students. See. Directly send it to Sudha madam. Okay, na, your notes. She will check. Now, dear student, this is a now discussed frequently. They are asking J means questions. So very, very important. Now see, can you solve this one? You can try yourself. Any doubt is there, we discuss tomorrow. These questions, okay? Now, variance and standard deviation. Formula see carefully. Suryakiran is there. Suryakiran, raise your hand. So variance and standard deviation. See carefully. What is variance? The variance of distribution is means what? How to find mean of squares of deviation? Mean of squares of deviation of variate from their mean. It is denoted by sigma square or variance of x. Okay. The positive square root of variance is called as the positive square root of variance are called standard deviation and is denoted by sigma or SD. Here should that's very important. Now see how to find variances. For ungrouped data, if they are giving frequencies, ये दोनों बहुत बहुत important है. These two are very very important. Okay, I will show you. Now see, I am recording this class, dear students. Okay, now sigma x square is equal to what is the formula? See, read the condition. The mean of the squares of deviation of variance means this is the formula. Okay, dear students, see. Sigma xa minus x bar whole square by n. This is the formula. So it's very, very important, dear students. This formula say. But most of the questions they are asking basically you can remember this one or this one. All are same, but depending on the question you can use. Don't confuse, okay? Sigma square means what the formula? Sigma xi square by n minus sigma xa by n whole square. So this is nothing but x bar. We discuss one question also. Be careful. Most of the questions they're asking only from ungroup data only. 99%. Frequency means very rare case, but we discuss. Don't worry. Now see, same formula. What is the case? Capital N means what is the formula? Sigma fi. Sigma fi. What is the formula? See, sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square by n. This is the formula. That's all. So di means what here? You can write like this. So please write on this one, all of you. Please write down. Keep in box after completing this one. So how they're asking J main to discuss this one? Dear students, do one thing. All of you submit the notes. Okay, running notes. Not to me, so the madam sufficient. Mention your name. Okay, better. So after completing, please tell me this one. Yeah, today notes. Today and yesterday notes. Running notes. Running notes means what? Mathematical reasoning and statistics. That's all. Randomly, I'm calling 5 members only. Okay, no? Just how you're writing notes like this one. Nothing. Okay. Today 5 members. Tomorrow 6 members. Tomorrow day after tomorrow 5 members like this. So randomly, I'm calling you. Just how you're writing notes. Now, dear students, let us see how they're asking. What type of questions? Let us see. Let's see. I have a question. Discuss one question. Dear students, get ready. See, sometimes they're asking what is the coefficient of standard deviation. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm adding one more point here. Dear students, see carefully. Please write down. This is the variance. Okay, now. But if you're writing, what is standard deviation? I'm writing C formula. Adding. This is the variance. Variance means sigma square. Okay. Standard deviation means what? Now, what is the formula? See, root over. Please write down sigma xi square by n minus x bar whole square. So please write all of you. Xm minus x bar whole square by n under root r. What is another way? Sigma x square by n minus sigma x by n whole square. Depending on the problem, you can use color same. Okay. This is the coefficient of standard form. See, coefficient of standard deviation means formula sigma by x bar. Coefficient of variation means sigma by x bar into 100. Now, anyone, triple star question this one, 5-star, anything, they're asking frequently. See. Write on this formula. What they're asking, see, they're asking variance or standard deviation. Variance. Find the variance of the first n natural numbers. This is the formula here, dear students. See, sigma square is equal to, right on all of you? Sigma square is equal to, this is the formula. See, sigma x square by n minus sigma x by n whole square is equal to sigma n square by n minus x1c. Means average of the all natural numbers is the formula. See, sigma n square means what? Just now I told you. और एक बार मैं लिखूंगा सिग्मा n square means what? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. Sigma n means n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n cube. बताइए. So use this formulas. So what the answer is coming, dear students? N square minus 1 by 12. So take the LCM from these two cases. Take the LCM. We can get n square minus 1 by 12. But same question, I'm adding C. Find standard deviation of first n natural numbers. What is the formula, dear students? That is sigma is equal to root over n square minus 1 by 12. So please add this point. Bhavan Kumar, Pawan, see the next example. Sigma I running from 1 to 18, xi minus 8 is equal to 9. And sigma I running from 1 to 18, xi minus 8 whole square is equal to 48. Then find standard deviation of x1, x2, and so on, x18. So I told you, no, depending on the formula, what is the case now? Here deviation is how much? You take is equal to di. What is the formula? Same formula. Sigma di square by n minus sigma di by n whole square. So this one can explain in the examination. Dear students, no doubt this model. So these models can expect in the examination. Dear students, what is the formula? See, root over sigma di square by n. N means number of observations here. N is how much? 18. So sigma di square means 45 by 18 minus sigma di means 9. 9 by 18 whole square. Simplify 3 by 2 answer. Anyone, what is the answer? Last example, see. Find the coefficient of variation of first and natural numbers. Coefficient of variation means what? Sigma by x bar into 100. But that is very, very rare case they are asking coefficient of variance. Right on? बताइए, हो गया? No, see. First of all, what is the mean? N1, n plus 1 by 2. Why? Average of the first and natural numbers. N into n plus 1 by 2. Into 1 by n. Average means by n. So n cancel, n plus 1 by 2. This is a standard deviation formula. Now coefficient of variance means sigma by x bar into 100. That is the answer. Sandeep, tell me. थर्टीन को क्या फायदा है? Completed? So take this screenshot. Prabha Swami, you are asking, see? Sandeep? Manish? Okay. Okay. This is the question, na? See, yeah. That is question number 16. Find the coefficient of variance of first and natural number. See the formula? So, enough for this class. Tomorrow we'll discuss this one. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day. But submit the notes, okay? Submit it to Sudharani madam. Okay. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.